Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course, and the topic for today will be something called menu window. So we've been seeing all these top menus, and we will continue with this one that has all these options here. So starting with this checking of the commands. So property editor opens this dialog box, and this is a very fast way to change properties of the selected element. So if we select something, you get the properties around and you can change them. This is a very interesting function. So status bar on off. In fact, most of these things are on off options. So property editor will be off if I uncheck that option. Status the same. Color coding, I don't have any results here, so and I'm not sure if I have any results around. Okay, I don't have any, so probably yes, I cannot show you colors, but it's that color code dialog box that we can put on or off. So coordinates, this window below of the coordinates, also on off. Perspective settings, it's off, but I can turn it on. You know already also this dialog box. We have the opportunity to create a background picture, so I don't have any, but it's a simple option. We can go and select something from the folders in your machine. Then we have some nice functions also to make splits, either horizontally or vertically. So horizontally, and we can work and create things individually. So it's the same model, but we can work in each one of the views independent. We can we can do a split vertically also, and then the active window will split again, something like this, and the concept continued to be the same. When we have this splitted in either of the states, we can close and close, so it will close always the active window. Let us turn this okay. Then we have an option to decrease label font size. So these labels, we can decrease them or increase them, so we can work around this. And we have also a function to prevent overlapping in these labels, so the program will manage either hiding or changing position for these labels that we have present in our screen. Okay, so it will manage that information. And finally, we have two functions. One is for drawings library. We've seen this previously. This is a library that contains drawings used in the program. These drawings are not saved pictures, but instructions on how to draw a view of the model or parts, including these multi-window settings. And then we can manage this, reload them, restore saved views, settings, whatever. Okay, we can access the library through the first function, and we can save to the library in the last function and defining what we want in this definition here. So this menu window is very easy. I think you can in very fast mode start using these options also in your global package of tools that we've seen until now. Any help about these topics, let us know. We will give you all the support.